Ever found yourself in that awkward spot? You need a little cash to bridge the gap until payday, but the thought of digging out all your official documents and going through a lengthy verification process just feels exhausting. You're scrolling through apps like Beforepay, thinking, this looks promising, but do they really need to see my ID? That's the question we're tackling today. Because let's be honest, in the world of instant access and quick fixes, nobody wants to get bogged down in bureaucratic red tape. We're used to tapping a screen and getting what we need fast. So, the idea of pulling out your driver's license or passport can feel like a major speed bump. And it's a valid concern. After all, sharing personal information online always comes with a degree of hesitation. You want to make sure your data is safe and that the process is secure. You're not just handing over your ID to any random app, you're looking for a reliable service that respects your privacy. Now, Beforepay, like many other financial services, operates within a regulatory framework. They have a responsibility to verify your identity to prevent fraud and ensure they're lending responsibly. This is not just a company policy, it's often a legal requirement. Think of it as a safety measure, both for them and for you. So, the short answer is yes, Beforepay does ask for ID. But it's not as daunting as it might sound. Let's break down why and how. Firstly, they need to verify your identity to ensure you are who you say you are. This is a standard practice in the financial industry, and it helps to protect against identity theft and other fraudulent activities. Imagine the chaos if anyone could just claim to be someone else and access funds. Secondly, they need to assess your eligibility. This includes verifying your income and employment details. Your ID, in conjunction with other information you provide, helps them build a picture of your financial situation. This is crucial for determining how much you can borrow and ensuring you can comfortably repay it. Now, how does this process actually work? It typically involves uploading a clear image of your government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Modern apps like Beforepay often use advanced technology to verify these documents quickly and securely. This means you don't have to physically visit a branch or mail in your documents. And here's the crucial part, reputable services like Beforepay prioritize data security. They use encryption and other security measures to protect your personal information. They also have privacy policies in place that outline how they collect, use, and store your data. So, while yes, you'll need to provide ID, it's a necessary step in accessing their services. It's about building trust, ensuring security, and complying with regulations. It's a trade-off, a small step for a quick financial solution. Remember, responsible lending involves verification. It's not just about getting the money, it's about doing it safely and securely. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.